Hi, today I'll show you how to log out from Gmail on Ulefone Armor 5S. So let's unlock our phone, then let's open Gmail, got it, take me to Gmail, and as you can see we have here 2 accounts, and you can search in settings or where can I log out, and you will find actually nothing, right? So what do we need to do? Let's go to settings, then let's go to accounts, let's select our account and remove account. Press remove account again, and let's go back to Gmail, and as you can see, now we have only 1 account left. Thanks for watching, press like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.